any website, how to create the Google AdWords Express ad. This will be total 3 types: get call, website traffic, and to your store visit. Means you can show your Google mapping. So first of all, I'm selecting on services. Based on services, we check our mapping business.google.com. So any mapping will be checked business.google.com. In this, we can open your particular service mapping. They will be showing 100% publishing mode. Suppose the mapping will be showing for pending verification. This is not valid for Google AdWords Express ad. The map will be compulsory showing for publishing mode. Select your map. In this map, go for in the left corner. The option is called create and add. Create and add. Select it. Now they are moving to the AdWords Express. The URL will be adwords.google.com/express. adwords.google.com/express. It's going to campaign structure. Here will be here. So all option will be there. And here will be coming to scroll down. For that, create new campaign. There are totally 3 options. First, phone calls, get more visit to your physical location, get more website sales or sign up. First 2, without website will be promote. Third one, we can do promote by website and without website. But third one is a specific for only for website sales and sign ups. So I will select it first of all. My question will be how to making a Google Ads without website. I'll select get call, big goal. Now select your mapping. The mapping will be website design development. Next, select your customers. Customer will be 2 type of customers select: local guidance and global wise. Local guides and global wise. The first one, local. Based on the mapping, you can select the certain kilometers. How many kilometers you can target your business? My business up to 40 kilometers. Next, and not specific kilometers. Go for areas. Here you can promoting for any countries, any states, any places. Any country, any state, and any places. So I'll mention here. Then total Telangana I'm promoting for. Second will be I'm promoting for total Andhra Pradesh. Is it clear? I'll total covered by the complete 2 states, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. But my business only for local marketing peoples. Why? Because AdWords Express and target only for local targeted peoples. Select it. How many kilometers? 40. The reach will be 2 crores 64 lakhs 93,670. The people per month. Potential audience size. After click for next. Please note down this audience size. Every month the audience size will be changed. Now will be 2 crores 64 lakhs 93,673. So this is a count. And remember, what is the idea of creating any kind of issues you are facing on your Google AdWords Express? This is a toll-free number 1800-200-4228. This number will be suggest you any have the missing problems. This will be Monday to Friday. Will be time for 9:30 to 6:30 p.m. So this will be assistant time for your Google AdWords Express. Clear? Any have issues on your Express for payment or anything, they will be resolved on by phone call. Now click for next. Now select your language. AdWords Express. Two things. AdWords will be select the multiple language, but AdWords Express will select only for one language. Select only for one language. And after that, select your category, and based on you're adding for keywords. Website, design and development, company in Hyderabad. So I'll mention by the every keyword. Now, these are the keywords I'm adding here. So what are the keywords are suitable? You can add by here. Now, how many keywords you want? You can add by how many total keywords. This will affect when search the showing for your Google map. So how to show my map on this Google search engine results? Select your Google results. When people searching for any kind of trainings, now open your maps. In the mapping, they show two type of ads. This ads belongs to for your Google AdWords Express. Now click for next. Now you can create by your specific ad. So I'm creating for this about how many characters? Only for headline 1 will be 30, headline 2 will be 30 characters. Now description, how many characters? Total 90 characters. Now here we discuss two things. This will be website call. I don't have website. Go for map. I don't have a website. Go for map. This will be map will be promoting with the map with the website. I'm going with the map with the get call. Now click for next. Is asking for three images, three logos. But logo is one, image will be three. So relevant image you can add here. There will be already you can any stock image will be there. It's selected by your stock images. This is not for yours. This will be related stock images about web design. Select it. Done. How many images will display here? Three. So go for your logo. Logo don't use for stock image. You can create your own logo and market as a people to engage. Always keep it in mind. What are that you can create the relevant, the showing for stock images. So if I don't have any images, the image will be stock image they're showing Google. There's no copyrights. There's no copyright. Somebody designed already into show the stock images. I'm adding logo here. Any logo size will be accept 128 by 122, 1200 by 1200 pixel. Next, coming to image, will be see here what are the image you design here, everything. This will be also in particular size. The size will be 600 to 314 pixel to 1200 to 628 pixel. Please make a note. Now the sizes. Now you can see how many images will be 3 images and 1 logo. See your ad formats. First ad, second ad, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, and 9. Here will be different value. Previous they display for 20 ads, now display only for 9 ads. How many? 9 ads. Previous display how many ads? Total 20 ads. Now they are changing to modify up to only for 9 ads will be display. Then click for next. Final thing, add your phone number. Place, turn on your verified call and click for next. Finally, set up your budget. Budget will be start minimum 34 rupees. Adding 33. Adding for 33. Below 33, they can't accept. Why? This budget will be 32.90 will be start. So minimum we can add it for 40 rupees per day budget. 40 rupees per day budget. These are the impression. These are the clicks. The clicks will be valid clicks. The clicks will be valid clicks. So 40, 12, 16. In the 16 rupees, we will be adding for GST. Total 30 days for 40 rupees per day. Total 1200 plus added will be 16 rupees additional price. Total 12, 16 rupees per monthly plan. So after that, click for next. When if increase your impressions or clicks, increase your budget. And this always remember, it's not for 40 rupees budget. It will be 1200 rupees budget. Google AdWords Express is considered for monthly budget, not for the daily budget. Not for the daily budget. How much per month? 616 to 1070 impression for 1200 rupees. This will be 19 to 33 clicks for 1200 rupees. Your ad, campaign goal, call your business, location, images, logo, and your budget, everything, phone call. When running the campaign time, you can change your every details. That is your phone number, and you change your exact your campaign budget. You will be accessible. Clear. Don't change by your map location. Location will be fixed by the based on location. We create the map to ads. Finally, click for next. This will be anytime will be start, anytime will be pause. Anytime will be start, anytime will be pause. See this ad will running. Click for pause the campaign. Is it clear? This is a create for the Google Ads without using website. Using for Google mapping.